Hey, so now you know how to present a file. What if we want to show something else? So let's say if we want to show our phone, maybe a document camera, we can actually try and show that by picking a device. So let's say we want to pick a device and show a document camera, but nothing is set up here. So I'm going to add new and set up that document camera. DC400 is the document camera I use. I click next, then I can choose the frame rate and the resolutions. So for document camera, it's actually a static object. So I can go slower and go 15 frames per second, but I want it to be high resolution. So I choose 1080p, click next, don't change anything for the audio source, and then don't change the name. And then you can choose the thumbnail. So previously I did a thumbnail, I'm gonna keep that one and then just click go. All right, so I'm gonna select this now and click next. And notice the PowerPoint is gonna get switched out. So this is on my table, so that will be the object that I want to show. All right, done. So now you see that there are two cameras actually on my background right now, camera here and then what is on my table over there. So I'm able to show two things at the same time. Very cool. And if I want to change this and show my phone, this is my phone, right? If I have an app that I want to show you, or maybe some picture that's from my phone I wish to show you, how do I do that? Let me go ahead and click on this again, pick a device. What I want to do is first put my phone on here. So the phone is able to get connected to Reactiv if you are actually using AirPlay, Miracast, or Chromecast. I'm using an iPhone right now, so what I'm gonna do is going to AirPlay my phone onto the software. So basically, I'm connecting right now. As I connect, right, you'll see my phone. So now I'm gonna choose the phone as the content, and then I click next, it's coming up. All right, so again, you see me, that's the camera, and then my content, which is the phone. So as you can see, I use screen mirroring, and then the screen mirroring is done by AirPlay. My phone is actually in the same network as my PC. So basically that's how AirPlay works. And then I choose my software so I can see that and you can see my phone. So basically if I have photo or if I have an app that I wish to show you, that it can be easily done just through here. Lastly, if I want to show something that is from a website, okay, so let's say I have a website I wish to show you, and let's say that is my company website. So I type in the URL, or you can copy and paste any way you want to do it, and make sure you give it a title so it renders the name correctly. I can actually just copy the website and just paste it here and click next, and right, so software is going to render the website right now, and you can see this is actually my website as content. Very easy. I can actually access the content from any website just by using that method. Okay, so as a recap, we have shown you how to pick a file, whether it's a PowerPoint, an Excel, a Word doc, media file, or video. It's the same process. Then you can choose another camera as document camera, or use your phone, whether you use an iOS or your Android phone, just use the natural way of connecting. That's AirPlay, Chromecast, Miracast, and then you can choose a website to showcase the material on any web pages. There you have it, very easy to access any content in Pitch.